Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read na or mei in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means name. It has 6 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like mei. On its own, it is usually na. In the dark of evening, you call out a name to know who is there. Now, let's write it. 6 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Namae, namae means name. Yuumei, yuumei means famous. And meijin, meijin means master. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Ta, read many. Kak, read kaku, each. Notice the small differences. So that's nei, name. 6 strokes. Read na or mei. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.